What are we making today?
Today we're going to make Kompe, and that's a Norwegian recipe. In Norway they make it lots of different ways, but where I come from we make it into a dumpling. It's a potato. First you peel the potato and you grind them, and then you put salt and flour into it. And today we're going to try it with sausage, because we don't like the fatty stuff. So anyway, in a lot of other places, up north in Norway, they use fish with it. And I never tried that, and I'm not going to try it anyway. And on the west coast, they use the turnips and what do you call the lamb? Yeah, they put lamb into it. So I don't care for that. I like it the way we make it. So anyway, now we're going to peel the potatoes, and then we're going to grind it. So we take step by step.
Okay. So now that you're done peeling the potatoes, what are you doing now?
Now I'm cutting them up in smaller pieces so we can get them into the food processor, because things like this wouldn't fit in there. So now when I finish that, we're gonna grind them, and then the fun starts. I'm gonna mix it around in the big bowl, everything, and make it into dumplings. Oh, there's one more. And I think about now we have it. So this is about 5 pounds potatoes, I believe. So you know, when we make it, I make quite a few. So because I like them boiled, but you, Eric, you like them fried. So we got to make sure that we can have 1 or 2 easy dinners after this, because it's a mess when we make it. Okay.
Sounds good. Thank you.
That's it. So now we're grinding the potatoes. This is so much easier with a food processor. I used to do it by hand with a grinder. So that was a lot of work. But this, very easy. So I think we have enough in there now. And how do we open this? There's all the potatoes. Grinded potatoes. And now I'm gonna press out the water. It's unbelievable how much water you get out of it. And when that stays here for a while, you get all the potato starch on the bottom, and you use that when you make the dumplings. I think that's good enough. Then I pour it in here, and then I will put some flour on top of it, otherwise they will turn dark in no hurry. So now I gotta get the flour. And cover it. Okay. That should be plenty for now. And so now we gotta start the next one. I'm gonna have some water into this one again.
Okay, so you were cutting up the sausage over here. Is that what you? That's not what you would normally use, though, right?
No, we use at home. We use the salt pork, but I never want to eat that. It was so fatty. So my dad got everything from all of us kids. He ate it, but it gave a good taste to it. But you know, so here I've been using the turkey ham, or just a hand in it, the good hand. But the only one we saw was some big pieces, and we didn't want that. So we think, well, let's experiment with this, and I'm sure it's going to be delicious.
Of course.
Well, when we don't have anything else, we'll try to substitute. I think that's good enough. Here it comes. Whoops. Big.
That's a meatball.
Now, you can see, leave that for a little bit, and you can see that is, you're going to get some potato starch out of it too. I'll put some more flour onto it. And then you got to have the salt. And now the fun part. Now it looks so dry, it feels so dry now, but you really got to work it in. This is cut a lot bigger than what it does on my quern. But it's okay. You're gonna have more flour, but now see, this has been standing for a little bit. Pour that off, and look at the potato starch.
So you want to add the starch, huh?
Mm-hmm. We put that in it. Got a little bit of the water too, but it was mostly potato starch. Yep. So just for those few potatoes, look at all that potato starch we got. And that really, it's good. Oh, you know what else I normally use? It's oatmeal. Do you have oatmeal?
I might.
Yeah, that is good in it. A little bit of oatmeal. But we don't have to use it.
All right. You keep grinding. I'll go check on the oatmeal. Okay, so that was a no-go on the oatmeal, but you keep adding flour into that.
Oh yeah, and you know, it sounds terrible. Somebody said the only time he had clean hands was when he made Kompe.
I hope so.
But I washed my hands very well before I started this.
Yeah, I think this are the cleanest our hands have ever been. It's this past month, huh?
Yeah, that's right. Barely have any skin left. That's what Tante Berit said. So with the sanitizer she's been using, she said she took a big flake of skin off her hand. Okay, I think we'll try. Maybe I still need more flour into it, but I figure, well, I'm going to try it with this. So we're going to try and see how this goes. Then we move it over here. The water is boiling. And then we need a couple of these. Oh, it's a big process. And we need this. looks messy, but it will turn out good. I'm not gonna make them that big. I don't think. Like that. Make a hole in it. Put a few pieces inside. There it is.
So a little bit bigger than a baseball, maybe not quite as big as a softball.
Oh, okay. You get them in all sizes. Whatever you want. We'll see. Oh boy, they got a lot of sausage in it. I should mark that one for you. I got to turn the heat up here, so they will be boiling.
And how long do you boil them for?
About an hour, hour and a half. It all depends really how big you're making them. But now since we have that sausage that is fully cooked, really it doesn't have to be more than an hour. I don't think, no. 1 hour should be enough. So now, there's some pieces that comes off in the water, and that is so good to use that water for bread. So now we're gonna make bread too. So that's good. And we have the bread maker out already. So later on today we may make a loaf of bread.
Good thing we started early.
That's right. Make dinner and breakfast food. We may need some more sausage, but we'll see. That's 5. I think I gotta put a little bit more flour into this on the bottom here.
All right. Well, it looks like the Kompas are ready, and it's dinner time. Made them early this morning, but now it's dinner time. How'd they come out?
They're still holding together, so
All
which
right.
is a good sign.
So you had enough. You had enough flour in there after all, huh?
Enough flour. It seemed to be perfect. We start with 1 each.
That's perfect.
Because, you know, when you eat this, they seem like a rock in your stomach.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What do you eat that with?
We have butter and sugar. Some people like the cranberry sauce, but we have butter and the sugar. That's the way we always eat it. And that's what we like. And then a glass of milk with it.
Gotta have the milk.
Oh, we gotta have milk with it. Otherwise, yeah, it's not the same. Bon appetit, huh?
Thanks.
Now they're starting to,
Yeah, now they're starting to look good.
Yep. And they should be heated all the way through now.
We probably serve those, just the same as a regular kompe, with some butter and some sugar.
Yeah. Normally we just have the sugar on it, but I like a little extra butter.
Even though we got some butter in the pan already,
Yeah.
huh?
But
You can never have too much butter.
more calories, more flavor.
A real comfort food.
That's right. A little bit more butter. Big chunk.
So again, we started with about 5 pounds of potatoes, about a pound of flour,
Yeah, I
and
think that's
probably about 6 or 7 tablespoons of salt. We divided. We put some with the water and half with the water and half with the potatoes.
Yeah, I think you put a little bit more in the water than you put in
With the potatoes.
Yeah.
But I mean that's essentially it. And then half a kielbasa or something like that.
Yeah. So we use the kielbasa now.
It's either that or a pound of half a pound or a pound of ham.
Ham or something else. Now I put a lot of butter in here.
Yeah, that's looking good.
I figure since you're filming it, you better make it big. It's really look good.
I'm getting hungry.
Well, I hope it will taste good.
I'm sure it will.
See that? They're getting brown. A lot of people like it better fried than boiled.
I like it both ways.
Yeah.
Boiled is good, but I've always got a soft spot for fried foods too.
Yeah. Because I know somebody said, I can't wait till they're cold so I can fry them. I didn't have that kielbasa in it. But,
No,
it was,
but that's okay.
we just took whatever we had left.
It's all about the potato.
That's it. That's the main thing.
All right, well, I'm about ready to shut off the camera and go to dinner.
Okay. You do that and you can sit down and eat now.